Hi, this is Ruderman. I'm here at RWCS 2019. While here this week, I gave a talk on what's new in axial spondyloarthritis. It was actually a very busy year in a number of areas, but particularly in the number of new clinical trials we saw this year. We saw the first long-term trial in non-radiographic axial spondyloarthritis with certolizumab, comparing certolizumab to placebo over an entire year and demonstrating efficacy of certolizumab. We'll see if that persuades the FDA to approve this drug for non-radiographic axial spondyloarthritis, the first drug that would be approved for that particular indication. We also saw new trials with an IL-17 inhibitor, ixekizumab, in so-called radiographic axial spondyloarthritis, or what's basically ankylosing spondylitis, in both patients who were TNF naive and TNF failures, and the drug was effective in both populations of patients. And then we saw two early trials this year in two novel drugs. One was bimekizumab, an antibody that blocks both IL-17A and IL-17F, which was effective in axial spondyloarthritis in a early population in a phase 2 trial. We'll see if that pans out in later trials. And we saw the first data with a JAK inhibitor, with filgotinib, that was convincingly effective in a phase 2 trial in ankylosing spondylitis. Those were the trial data. One last thing we saw this year that I thought was very interesting was an abstract from Germany that looked at a mechanism for driving patients with possible axial spondyloarthritis to the rheumatologist's office. They actually used a series of posters on the subway that drove people to a website to see if they had symptoms that might be consistent with axial spondyloarthritis. They then tracked those people down when they went into the rheumatologist, and 20% of them turned out to have axial spondyloarthritis. It was a pretty good yield for a direct-to-consumer advertising program. Look for more information on these and other topics on Rheumnow.